Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming the device type and immediately opening settings. This avoids guesswork. Once open, go to Apps or Apps and Notifications and locate the launcher or Google app responsible for the home screen. Make sure you took a quick screenshot of your layout so you can restore icons later. If you don't see the Google app listed, tap the three-dot menu and show System to reveal System apps. This first stretch gets you right where you change defaults and stops the Google home screen from loading. Now change the active launcher. In Settings, pick Default Apps, then Home App, and choose an alternative launcher you installed or a minimal built-in option. You do this because the default Google home screen is tied to the Google app acting as a launcher. Once the new launcher is selected, return and open the Google app page to disable or force stop it. This prevents automatic takeover. Make sure to reboot or restart the launcher so the new home screen loads cleanly and your change takes effect. Finish by rebooting your device to ensure the new launcher initializes correctly. Once done, verify widgets and icons are positioned as you like. If the Google home screen reappears, go back to the Google app settings, clear defaults and clear cache, then repeat selecting your preferred home app. As a last resort, uninstall updates to the Google app to remove launcher behavior introduced by recent versions. If issues persist, temporarily install a trusted third-party launcher to override the system and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.